Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to create a project that I have been working on, and it's dealing with photo frames, images of loved ones, friends or family, or a favorite picture. And I wanted to make a bracelet out of some photo images that I had. And what I did was I bought this silicone mold. I ordered it online. And it comes in different shapes: oval, rectangular, circular, squares. And today I wanted to recreate some images, and I wanted to use the rectangular one, and I wanted to use the square one. So I have already mixed equal parts resin and equal parts hardener, which is called part A and part B. And all I'm gonna do is just pour it in my mold. I'm going to use first the oval mold. And then I'm going to use the square mold. And I'm going to fill it 3/4 of the way. Reason being is because I want to put my image in it. And you can put whatever you want in it. So this first one is an old picture of my daughter when she was a baby. And the picture is getting really, really old. It's gone through a lot. It's almost 30 years old. And I wanted to sort of find a way to preserve it. And so I came up, did some research online and read about using epoxy. And it doesn't distort anything. It keeps everything intact. And I wanted to be able to keep memories that will last a lifetime. So this is a photo of my oldest daughter when she was a baby. I'm sorry, my youngest daughter. So all I'm going to do is just put it in there. I'm going to use a toothpick to kind of push it down in there. And then I'm going to pour some more solution on top. Make sure everything is getting covered. Okay. And I don't have on gloves, which is a no-no. Whenever you're working with chemicals, you should always have on gloves. I happened to run out of gloves and wasn't thinking and forgot to go and get some. But next time I'll make sure I have on gloves. So with this next one, the square one, I'm going to actually put some dried flowers. These are real dried flowers that I ordered offline, a company called AliExpress. And I'm just going to sort of just stick them in there. No particular way, no particular, you can make a design however you want, but right now I'm just going to take them off and then just let them drop in there. I'm just breaking out the stems and put them in there. Let me use a blue one. I've got pink, sort of a neon yellow, a blue. Maybe I'll use orange. I'll break this off and then just stick it in there. So what I'm going to do is use my toothpick to push them down in there. Make sure that they're completely covered. Again, this is my resin that I've mixed. Equal parts resin, equal parts hardener. It doesn't matter how much you use, just as long as it's equal parts. Again, you mix it for anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes, and then you let it sit for 5 minutes. Clean my mess up, all these stems. So right now I'm going to pour some more solution on top so I can cover the stem ends. There we go. And because I have some more solution left, even though it may not look like a lot, I can do a lot with this. And so I'm going to make another one. I'm just going to fill another mold because I don't want to waste it. This is just very expensive stuff. You can get it online at Amazon. Just Google epoxy resin. Make sure it's a combo pack because you're going to need both of them. And they can range anywhere from $14 all the way up to $120. It just depends on how much you want. I generally buy half-gallon sizes, but you can order as much as you want, depending on the level of projects that you're going to be working on. So the only thing I'm doing is just breaking them off and putting them in there. Use my toothpicks. And these stems, some of these stems I didn't break off enough. It's fine. I'll use either some sandpaper to just file it down, or I'll use some scissors. But for now, I'm just going to cover it with some more resin. And I have a little bit more. I'll use it for something else. But for now, I just kind of wanted to show you guys how I recreate things. With the photo, I'm going to just push it down in there. These, I'm just kind of line them up because sometimes they will float around if you don't watch them. But if you're okay with them randomly looking sporadically and not, you know, any particular way, then it's okay. You can leave it like that. So I'm going to use my big lighter, and it just gets all these little fine bubbles out. And you can't see it, but all the bubbles are popping. All the little bubbles on top are, you know, just kind of popping off. And so this is going to harden. And once it hardens, this is what it'll look like. So I am going to make bracelets out of these. I'll move this back so you can kind of get a better idea of what they look like. Those are the bracelets. These are the ones I made photos out of. And I'm going to make I haven't decided if I'm going to make a necklace out of these or if I'm going to make a bracelet. This is me almost, actually a little over 25 years ago with my oldest daughter who, well, 27 years ago, because my oldest daughter, she's 28 right now. And you can't really see it. Sorry. That's me, and that's my oldest daughter. She was a year old. She's 28 years old now. And this is her again when she was probably about 5 years old. And so this is what they look like when they come out. As you can see, they're preserved. The photos aren't distorted. There's nothing wrong with it. The flowers still look intact. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to make bracelets out of these. And that's how you can take epoxy resin and get whatever type of silicone mold that you like. And you can create all sorts of things with this. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. I will try to post some more videos. And as always, please like what you see and subscribe to my channel. Again, thanks again.